Iran and Israel has been reached at its difficult and peak situation. According to different media resources of the Iran has reportedly said that they have destroyed almost more than 10 aircrafts of the Israel. They have captured 2 to 3 Mossad agents, and they have also captured female pilot of the Israel. According to different media resources, more than 100 people of Iran has been died and 700 people has been injured during this war. According to Israel media, it is being considered that more than 10 people has been died in Iran-Israel conflict, and also more than 500 Israel people has been injured reportedly. This war is going to be very far and for many days if there is no agreement occurred between them. Both countries are still attacking each other. Israel is attacking on Iran and Iran is attacking on Israel with ballistic missiles and different drones. There has been a big blow to both of the countries. Here we also want to inform you that the Iran has attacked on the Israel second time, and the second time Israel defense mechanism has been totally failed to understand and intercept the attack, due to which Iran ballistic missiles and many drones entered into the capital of the Israel and attacked on many cities of the Israel and damaged very much in the cities. It is being considered that more than 10 people of the Israel and many hundred people has been injured in this attack. On the other side, Israel, when attacked on the Iran, more than 120 people has been died and more than 500 people has been injured in this attack. According to different media resources, this war is not going to end very soon because Israel is attacking again and again with its drones, aircrafts and missile systems, and Iran is also not stepping back from its situation, and they are attacking back on the Israel with huge ballistic missiles. They also reported that they have launched Faber missiles as well. We also want to inform you that many presidents have also called the Israel president and vice president, and they also has called the Iran president to end this war, but it is not going to happen as it's seeming. Stay connected with us for more updates.